Welcome back to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. Today we're going to do a quick video and I'm going to show you how to break down a rotisserie chicken from Costco. Now these chickens have been popular for many years and they really haven't changed the price of them. They're still $4.99. So I'll show you how to get the most from that, and we'll make some economical meals for one as well as some soup. Let's get started. So I wanted to show you, I did weigh the chicken. It ends up being about 3 pounds, almost 5 ounces. So we're going to see how much meat we get from that. So don't throw away any of that juice that comes out either. That's going to go in when we do the soup or the broth. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do soup or broth. All right, so you'll see there's a string that they tie the legs. So you'll need to get that string out. They tie it around from the legs, around the wings. Okay, I moved the camera so maybe you can see it a little bit better. This one is pretty well done, so it's coming apart pretty easily. But you see, the first thing you want to do is take off that thigh and leg at the joint. Now you could use this as just a piece of chicken to serve in a meal with potatoes or rice and vegetables. That's one option. Get the other one. All right, so that's 2 good servings right there. So this one cooked pretty well, so those wings came right off. The next thing you want to do is feel along for that breastbone, and then take your knife and cut as close as you can to the bone. There you're going to have 1/2 of that's a very large breast there that you'll be able to cut up into several pieces. And then taking down the other side. Okay. And then what I would do from here, so these are your main pieces. I would probably end up using the wings in the chicken broth or the soup because I have a lot of flavor in there. But I'll just go through and pick off as much meat as I can from this carcass. Just pull out any kind of meat wherever you can. See, this right here has some fat and skin on it. I'm going to put that in my bowl that I had the juice from the chicken. There's a little bit of meat on the wings. You can pull that off. I'm going to throw those bones in with what I'm going to use for my chicken broth. I'm also going to pull the skin off of there. They got this chicken pretty well done. I'm just curious how much meat I'm going to get from this. So I'm going to put my scale on. I'm going to tear it with the plate on. Watch out for little bones. Okay, so since we're not going to be eating the chicken quarter consisting of the leg and thigh, we could eat that with a meal, but we're not going to do that. So I'm going to take the skin off of there, throw it in with the bowl that I'm going to be using for the chicken stock. Depending on how well done your chicken is when you get it, it may not come apart this easily. Okay, so that is 1 pound, 14.7 ounces of chicken, just the chicken. I bet if I went through here, I could probably get enough to make 2 pounds. Not quite. Okay, so that's 1 pound, 15.1 ounces. So we got almost 2 pounds of chicken, but that is actually a lot of meat. So we'll be using this meat in upcoming recipes that I will show on my channel. Okay, from that 3.5 pound rotisserie chicken, and that was weighed with bag and all, I got a big bowl of carcass bones and 5 6-ounce bags of meat that we'll be using in some upcoming videos for Meals for One and some soup. So please tune in for some upcoming videos. Thanks for joining me today. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.